Welcome to Langkawi. Today, we're diving into the stunning Langkawi Sky Bridge and Cable Car, two must-see attractions that promise awe-inspiring views. The Langkawi Sky Bridge, suspended 125 meters above sea level on Mount Mat Cincang, offers a unique walkway amidst the rainforest canopy. Paired with the Langkawi Cable Car, which ascends to 708 meters above sea level, this adventure guarantees breathtaking panoramas of the Andaman Sea and lush landscapes of Malaysia. The Langkawi Sky Bridge is a stunning masterpiece in the rainforest, stretching 125 meters. It's like a suspended walkway on Mount Mat Cincang, about 700 meters high. The bridge curves around the mountain, giving awesome views of nature. It's a perfect blend of human-made and natural beauty. Hop on the Langkawi Cable Car at the Oriental Village for a thrilling ride up Mount Mat Cincang. You'll soar through the rainforest, treating your eyes to stunning views. As you climb to about 708 meters, get ready for a visual treat. Gorgeous scenes of the Andaman Sea, lush jungles, and nearby islands. Langkawi Sky Bridge and Cable Car are located in the northwestern part of Langkawi Island, accessible from the Oriental Village. For those eager to embark on this adventure, here are a few essential tips. Number 1. Purchase your tickets online in advance to avoid long queues and ensure a smooth experience. Number 2. While the cable car operates in various weather conditions, checking the weather beforehand can enhance your visibility and overall experience. Number 3. Wear comfortable shoes and dress in layers as temperatures may vary during the ascent. I hope you enjoyed this sneak peek into the Langkawi, Malaysia. Hit that like button if you're ready to explore, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel destination.